How to create a video reel with Predis AI. In order to do that, let's head over right here to create new. And then for this one, it will ask you what you want to make. So for example, let's head over and then just choose in here which one you want. So for this, you can choose text the post, blog the post, script the post, and all of these things. So it doesn't really matter. So for this one, let's put in here e-com product post. And then you can put in here sample products or any products you have for this case. Now, which one you want to actually get, you can also put in here the post format. So you can create the video for this particular product for this one. So in here, you can also do this on your text to post as well. They have in here this video as well. Now in here, it can be short, long, voiceover, or anything. So for example, let's put in here 3 variants. Now click on generate. Now this will generate your video reel for you. So just wait for this to finish the loading process in order to see your reel. As you can see right here, they have provided us with these videos less than a minute ago from our idea. So you can head over and click on this play icon right here. And then you can see this actual input. So we have in here the text to post or 5 tips to grow your video brand. And they also have in here the caption that you can use. And when you click on this will play the reel or for you. So we have this, so you can head over and download it and post it to your social media. So that's how you create a video reel with Predis AI. Hope we helped.